Hello, Namaste. Post 20th January 2025, the whole world entered into an endless cycle of economic uncertainty. Supply chains are expected to feel these strains in the era of trade wars that we are in now. Let's talk about India. In the recently presented Economic Survey of India, there is some good news for India in terms of supply chain advantage. The Shahid Beheshti Port at Chabar connects Mumbai to Eurasia via the INSTC International North-South Transport Corridor has received a 43% increase in vessel traffic and 34% rise in container traffic for the financial year 2024. Some people also call this corridor as a sanction-free corridor that will boost India's connectivity with resource-rich Russia, landlocked Central Asia, and Europe. It is an effort by India to diversify its supply for essential commodities and presenting India as a credible partner to the countries in this entire region. You will ask me, why is it important? Why is it important? When fully functional, the INSTC, that is International North-South Trade Corridor, is expected to reduce transit times from India to Eurasia and European country by 40%, cutting average journey times from 45 to 60 days now to 25 to 30 days through this corridor. Additionally, it is likely to decrease freight cost by 30%. As per the Hindu Business Line article, India is planning to increase the capacity of this port as well as planning to bring Indian ship liners to start operating from this port. Despite significant potential, this port did not receive much attention from Indian businesses due to fear of Western sanction. However, however, the ongoing talks between India and Russia for smoother cross-border payments, thereby bypassing US dollar, can change this stance in the future, and more Indian businesses may opt to work through this port.